Autobuses AGA de Colombia was founded by Mr. Armando Gutierrez Acevedo. This is the origin of our name. Our company was initiated by the need to have a national manufacturer of land transportation. This was really important because 40 years from now, Colombia was just importing vehicles from abroad. We are a company in the passenger transportation sector in Colombia, with more than 40 years of experience in the manufacture and assembly of buses, coaches, and we are also pioneers assembly of integral vehicles for the intermunicipal transportation segment. We are also present throughout the country, and our headquarters are located in the Ciudadela Industrial Park in the city of Duitama in the department of Boyacá.
Bueno, Autobuses AGA de Colombia siempre se ha caracterizado por la calidad del producto que se fabrica acá. Contamos con buena materia prima, tanto nacional como internacional. Usamos productos de alta calidad en todo el tema de los aceros, los acabados, muchas piezas son de muy alta calidad.
We bet for innovation as a central axis of our mission. We focus on satisfying the needs of our customers.
Bueno, pues actualmente Autobuses AGA tiene una capacidad en planta para la fabricación de alrededor de 200 autobuses y autocares al año en un solo turno de producción.
Along our history, we have driven processes of innovation and technological progress in the transportation sector, and we are widely recognized for the excellence of the luxury intercity buses we produce, the quality and durability of our products, our excellent designs, our technological advances, and the use of new material and processes. We also recycle materials such as steel and aluminium, and we have a site available for recycling at the source. Our social commitment generates around 150 direct jobs and 300 of indirect jobs, creating a significant economic dynamic in the region due to the creation of decent employment. In addition, 20% of all of our each year's profit are distributed to all members within our organization.